Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Give me some time. I'll quickly connect my trade weight. Yeah, it's connected, so no problem with that. Yeah. We had a good sell off, it seems. Pretty good sell off, but hard to capitalize on such short. Okay. The screen will not be visible. Give me a minute. I'll be back. And once the disclaimer is done, the screen will be visible. So make sure you read all those disclaimers. Looking at the price action doesn't look good. So yes, welcome to the stream, guys. Yesterday was a good day. We had a win yesterday. Let's see what today holds for us. I mean, even if I take a loss today, I'll be in net profits for the week, net green for the week. Let's see how things goes. Not gonna force setups. I'll just wait for some good setups, high quality setups. If it plays, I mean it's good. If not, then we are still up for the week. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So before getting into the stream, I'll just go check the economic calendar. That will be our roadmap. And this will be this will be kind of a practice for all our live streams. So we had 8:30 news, and now we have 10 a.m. news, but it's an orange folder news. Let's see how things goes. I'll come to that. I'll complete my weekly analysis first, and then we'll talk about all those concepts and stuff. So I'll turn BDJ on because that's gonna be a reference level for us, and we are very close to all-time highs. I'll turn BDJ on today. I mean BADJ on today because this is giving me some reference point. So let's see how we're gonna use that today. I'll explain about code later, but for now I'll focus on the outlook itself for the week, and then we'll just get started. Come on, guys, come on. Need to see some likes. Whoever is watching the stream, just give me a thumbs up. That would be great, and I'll appreciate that. We just have 9 likes so far. We'll aim for 100 likes today. Easy, people. We'll aim for 100 likes today. I'll be speaking about some concepts. I'll be walking you through the day. And let's go for 100 likes, guys. Easy. You guys can do that. No one in the community so far does it for free. So just consider giving a like, and I'll appreciate that, guys. So NQ, I have my monthly time frame here. I have that BADJ on, adjust for the contract changes. So I have it on. I have 2 to 3 doubts. Let me ask it at the end. Sure, bro, I'll be there. Ashwin Gautam, bro, I'll be there. Whatever doubts you have, please ask me at the end. I'll be very happy to answer. I mean, I'll be here. Once the live stream is done, either we take a loss or win. Once that's done, we'll go for the questions. I'll have it like a pretty long session. If someone wants to ask doubts, Feel free to ask. Okay, I'll just go do my outlook here. So this is the monthly time frame. I'm having this BADJ on so that I'll have some reference points to work with, because when I keep it off, the price has been already taken. The all-time highs has been already swept, and we are trading at all-time highs almost. And if I turn this on, the all-time highs has not been taken yet, but I'll get some data to play with. So we have our all-time highs here. I'll just go change the colors according to my liking. I'll have to put that as a template so that I can just change the words. So I have right side. I'll put that to number 10. Yes. Okay. Perfect. And we have our February highs. Okay. We have our February highs. Feb high. And that's in close proximity to price. Still, the order flow is bullish. Whenever price comes to a discount, I'll be looking for longs, and the all-time highs is like pretty close. If you ask me, we are just market has list like 78 handles, and then it's like dropping, but just around 150 handles, it can do it easy. These are all the reference point I could look at in terms of monthly time frame. I'll go to weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, same. I don't see anything, but I see one thing. What do you see, guys? What do you see? Let's keep this engaging, guys. Let's keep the chat engaging. What do you see here? Just looking at the weekly chart, whatever I'm showing in screen. What is one PD array that you could look at without any lipstick on, which will help us determine a bias? What do you see, guys? In mine, the pair name is not at the top. Bro, just click this full screen button and press F11. Guys, what do you see this? Like, what PD array you could notice right now? Just which is trading in close proximity to price. It's one rejection block. Perfect. That's a rejection block, of course, but I'll be looking at that in terms of a gap. New week opening gap, that is. So I'll just mark them right away. For me, the invalidation would be gaps. I started using gaps. Perfect. That is an NVOG. Yes, that is an NVOG. I started using NVOGs as my invalidation. So whenever price is like trading above this NVOG, I'm bullish. Which is in close proximity. We have an NVOG here. We have like NVOGs here, there, everywhere. But right now in close proximity, I have this NVOG, and price is trading above this NVOG. Price has swept this liquidity pool, and here we have another liquidity pool pending. You have to look at it in terms of your this being Friday. Okay, this being Friday, price formed the low on Monday, and we had a straight rally. That is something called as TGIF. That's called thank God it's Friday. But our objective is still there. All-time highs is still there. TGIF can happen, but my expectation is that price has left that unfilled. That has not been taken yet. It has come very close, and I'll be looking for longs and discounts. So let's go to lower time frame and see what do we have. Price is also trading just above our previous day highs, so I'm gonna also mark that previous day highs. We have our present day lows just being engineered. That could be a draw as well. So that would be Asian lows if I'm not wrong. From Asia, price started like pushing higher. We have 1 to 2 reference points here. Sorry, that's our previous day low, and we have our previous day highs. That's our previous day highs. That's our previous day low. Let it stay as it is. Price has gone higher, open, came lower, but it didn't tap that new week opening gap. High chances that, I mean, there is no volatility as well. Like looking at the previous candles, there is literally no volatility. But if at all price comes to some discount, I'll try to long. But if we have some good gap to reach that lows, I'll try to short. I guess you can. Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn. And right now I see one thing here. I just don't want this. I'll change this to sell side liquidity. And that is my draw for now, I guess, because price has taken the previous 6-hour candles high. And we have our beautiful sell side liquidity being engineered. That's our previous 6 hours low. Price is falling like anything right now. We also have another minor sell side liquidity. I want to see how price. Oh damn. Okay, that is reached. That was a good sell. But I mean, okay. So now we have our target being almost reached. We'll just wait, guys. Price is tapped the 4-hour lows. Is there an SMT at the 4-hour lows? This is 4-hour. Okay. ES has tapped into this 4-hour when previous lows has been swept. YM is kind of stronger, so we have an SMT. We do have an SMT. We'll have to just keep it in mind. There is an SMT at the lows. I'm not going to engage anything in prior to the open. I'll just wait for the open. We have an SMT at the lows. I want to see how price reacts over there. But even this sell side liquidity looks good. I mean, previous day's lows. I mean, present day's lows, isn't it? Present day's lows, not previous day's lows. Present day's lows. So we have the lows being swept, but the highs are also swept. We have our 6-hour lows bending as well, but we have this previous H4 candles high. I mean, this particular Asia's high, the range. I could see some reaction from there. So anything else do I have? We have an SMT for now. Our price has tapped into this beautiful BC. And we also do have our SMT at the lows. But the fact that price did this, I'm not really confident, but the bias is bullish. Bias is bullish to all-time highs. But I don't know if price, that's a discount for sure. From these lows to these highs, that's a discount for sure. That's a discount. That could be OTE if I'm not wrong. Okay, that's OTE as well. So that's OTE. We have our SMT. We have everything, I guess. And anything else I could look at? I don't see anything for now. That's the Y side. I'll just remove things off. But the structure kind of looks off for me. 830 lows or these true day open is just around here. So we have a true day open at exactly there. And we have a true candle open here. So that's our end walk. Okay. So that's our end walk. And I'll go. I don't want this end walk, I guess, because we have it marked. And that's my 15-minute chart. And that will be my 30-minute chart. The structure has been shifted. That's a problem for me. Like the structure, see, highs, lows, higher highs, boom, that's a displacement. Let's see if this SMT holds price. I want to see if there is a good rejection, or else what I'll be expecting is that open at 9:30, go higher, tap into this CB, and then sell lower is something what I'll be expecting. But yeah, the bias is mixed right now. I'll be trading the volatility today. I mean, if there is a good volatility injection at 9:30, with the 9:30 data, I'll try to take trades. But kind of very, I mean, what do I tell? We missed our entry, guys, because that's my model right there. So 6-hour highs being taken out. That's our 8 a.m. That's our L model at 15-minute time frame. So you can call that as your CAC as well. We got that stop loss at the lows. We got that sell delivered relative equal lows. And now we'll have to wait for new set of data to print so that we can take some rational decisions. Seems like we are, I'll just put some alerts to see that if that is being violated. Okay. Now we just have to wait, guys. Nothing much. We have to wait until 9:30. I don't see anything. What do you tell, guys? We look at crude. I mean, gold to see if there is some good setups. We look at gold for now because I mean the delivery is done. Now we'll need like new data to work with. So I'm like double minded here because we have our deviations set, but not really comfortable with the price whatever it has done because it dropped like 70. I mean the handle movement is not that huge, but the range is huge. Considering VIX, I don't see anything right now. I need data more, so I will be waiting for 9:30's data. Dude, bro, what has happened to? Oh damn! What has happened, bro? Why gold has to do this? Oh shit! Oh shit! Why has? I mean, but seriously, why? I mean, this has already happened. I want to see it in seasonal tendencies, the lens of seasonal tendencies. Give me a minute. I don't see any drop in seasonal tendencies. So something has cooked in gold. I'm not really sure because that's some good shells there. That's a massive sales. But $80 of moves, insane to look at. We'll do some lipstick. That's our standard deviations. So price is close below this 2 to 2 standard deviation. Exactly. Oh goodness. Exactly at the one standard deviation. I mean 1.5 standard deviation. We got this FEG. So I remember saying this in the previous streams that use your projections and at those round numbers of 1 and 0.5s, if there is an FEG, that is going to be a high probability FEG for sure. So use your deviations 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. If there is some sort of FEG being aligned exactly with that, then that's going to be a high probability setup. High probability, guys. High probability. I bet. I don't know if you have seen that. So like that's a snippet for you to maybe backtest. If you like, then you could be using that. We don't have anything with gold, and we do bro. What has happened today? I mean, this was this this okay. This is for Okay, sorry. My bad. There is nothing with crude as well. So every market right now is cooked, guys. We need patience. So we'll talk something. Only speaking will keep us away from charts. VIX is also like falling lower, and there is no volatility being coming in with markets. I don't want to see gold. Still the SMT is holding. I don't want to long here because we have our inefficiencies. The next 15-minute candle will form another M15. So I don't really want to go longs here. If there is a closure above the previous candle, I don't want to consider it as an L model. If there is a reaction, it should be like very fast. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? I'll take questions for now because we'll be waiting for one more 15-minute candle. Index just the price move first. Bro, it doesn't work that way, bro, because both are indices. Like both are index. It moves the same. There will be movement, but it can't be said like that, bro. Simple. Bro, can you check silver? Okay, check silver. I'll check silver. I guess that's a low, guys. I'll be expecting lows because today will be closing below. I mean, the previous day's low. So I'll be expecting these lows most probably. Silver. I'll be expecting these lows, bro. I want to see if price want to continue going lower. I want to see price close below these lows as well. So that's it for me. I want to see price closure below these low to see continuation lower. And as an area of interest, we have this order block. That's it with silver for me. Please explain L model. Bro, L model has been explained multiple times, bro. There is a video in my channel. If you want, you can check it out. It would be in Tamil. And if you want to learn about L model in English, the previous week I did a stream in CFT. That's an educational stream where I've explained L model. L model is simply looking at highs and lows in terms of a proper candle. Okay, what has happened? What was that spike? Still nothing, guys, because that's your dealing range highs to lows. I don't really see the structure because if I want to look for highs, I want to see something like this. That's not what has happened here. We have this right now. The size has been taken out. See this? Price has been constantly going lower only. I don't find anything good right now to buy. Even if it goes to buys, I'll be like very happy because today I'm just gonna be very patient and trade my model. L model has been explained, bro. Simply that's your L model. Right now, what we have is an L model. You can call that as a CASD. It is CASD here, but it need not be CASD in every case. But here it's a CASD. So that's a L model. Like, what do I tell you? Like when we have a candle, I'll be looking at it in terms of candle. So when we have a single candle, when I have a candle, if I'm looking for lower prices, it could be bullish candle, it could be bearish candle. But when prices reach a point of interest, let's say that's a point of interest, we have a single candle's low. And when price closes below these lows, the next candle open is my entry. The candle which took my lows and closed below highs would be my stop loss. And I'll be entering a short position here, targeting a sell side liquidity pool. It could be order block, but it need not be order block every time. So for example, if I had to tell you where, yeah, okay, here. So we have a CAC here, right? That retest is not my entry. My entry would be right here because very close to the POI. This is the only candle which has closed below the previous candle's low. Just looking at in terms of the previous candle's low, that's the only candle which has closed below the previous candle's low. That's my L model. So here, if you look at things, that's my L model. Price has closed lower. That will be my entry stop loss at the highs. But when going into lower time frame, you can just modify your stop loss. You can make your stop loss less. But yeah, that's your change the state of your order block. You can consider that as an order block, and that's your sell right there. Here, prices close at the lows. The candle which has closed below the lows was a down close candle, of course. So that would be my other L model. So L model, every CAC is an L model. Every L model is not a CAST. Okay, you got that? Okay, there is a momentum, but I'm not going to trust that. Okay, guys, if you have doubts, you can ask me, guys. We'll use this time. We have like 10 more minutes for the open. Let's go for 50 likes, guys. We are just 24 and we have 31 watching. If you haven't liked the stream yet, please go like the stream. Pridwin, I'm short. Why are you short right now? Please explain me why are you short? MTGT. I don't know what is MTGT, bro. Sorry. I don't know what is MTGT. Why are you short? Can you please explain your entry? And why are you looking at shorts right now? They don't have bias right now, seriously. The order flow in higher time frame is just bullish, but lower time frame doesn't support buys. So like I'm kind of neutral and I'm expecting more data. The data for me is that 9:30 open. I need some volatility around 9:30 open, and I need to see some new data farming around the 9:30 open. During like such conditions when we are trading at all time highs, it's really hard, very hard to like trade because neutrally we'll be thinking like a big liquidity has been taken out and we'll be looking for sells, but the volatility, the velocity can continue for days, weeks. That price would continue go higher. We'll be taking a lot of L's. So you need to find that sweet spot between you looking for bias, you marrying your bias and finding trades with those intraday volatility. Next week will be choppy. I don't really see chop because we have NFP next week. NFP next week is on Thursday. We have market. We have bank holiday on Friday. So the NFP for next week is on Thursday. Price swept 4-hour highs and I considered PO3 as London consolidation as accumulation. And the spike as manipulation. And this short as distribution in 15 minutes CAST. Okay, seems fair. Just look at. See, I used to do this. I'll enter shorts at discount. So you consider London lows as your manipulation. That would be a good draw. But during, I've also been there. I'll be looking for shorts. So if you're looking for a London low as your your draw liquidity, we'll just draw a dealing range. So we'll be grading dealing range now. Where is it? Okay. So that's our 50%. So entries, if you're looking for that as your drawn liquidity, your entries should be just above your 50% of your gradings. That would be safe. I don't tell you that price can't come to these London lows. I'm just telling you like it doesn't work a lot of times because I've been there. I try to short at discounts, but in a longer line that doesn't work. If you're trying to catch something, just catch in real close proximity to the SMR, smart money reversals. So you have a London liquidity here. Let's mark that and Ravens TP. Paka. We'll celebrate your win, bro. And SMT in 8:27:23 3 minute. Okay. 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 Let's see what happens. We are 5 minutes away from the open. We are looking at a Nvidia gap up opening. I don't want to risk anything right now, so I'll just put. I'll wait. What is your risk management plan for futures? Do you risk 1% per share? So it's not like like it's not we will not be treating it in like a futures. CFD accounts. My risk management whenever it comes to futures evaluation or live account would be I'll be considering only the drawdown. So 10% of my drawdown for a single trade as a risk in my live account and 20% of the entire drawdown as risk for my per single trade for my evaluation. So let's say I have like sorry, if I have like 2k in drawdown, net drawdown, I'll be risking 20% of that 2k. So I'll give 5 trades. So 20 divided by 5, like see, 2k divided by 5 is around $400. So $400 is my SL. $400 is my SL. There is something here. There is no PO3 also. So if you're lucky, the SL, the TP can be hit. If my drawdown is 2.5k, I'll be risking $500 for evaluations and 250 for my live accounts in my live accounts. Guys, let's go to 50k, guys. 50 likes. Sorry, 50 likes. 35 people watching, and yeah, let's go to 50 likes, guys. Another SMT in 3 minutes. Okay. See, I'm flat. I don't have any expectations for now. I'm literally flat. I will be looking at sales a bit higher because this has happened for me a lot of times that I'm really conscious that I'll not be shorting at discounts and I'll not be longing at the premiums. GG, congratulations. That was a pretty. What has happened? Did Trump drop something? Did Trump drop something, bro? Your SL would have been hit. Yes, if you put your SL here, that would have been hit. That's a good SMT. That has taken, right? That's relative equal highs. Or bro, YM is such a bitch, bro. It's going higher. Bro, I really want to ask, like, somebody drop something. But that was quick, bro. I don't know if we have something with the economic calendar. Let me check news feed. 9:56, 57 US Senate Besant will be at Senate. Fed Cooks does not comment on monetary policy, economic outlook, and Fed listens event. Okay, guys, here we go. 20 seconds away from 9:30 opening price. Here we go. Buckle up. Buckle up. That's a good move right there. That's a 15-minute immediate rebalance and sales. Let's see. The FAG is holding. I mean, the SMT is holding. I guess it's not. It will be violated. So we have our 9:30 opening, guys. We are opening at a gap up. We are opening at an insane gap up. Okay, we are selling. I mean, just give me a minute. I'll. Okay. Okay. Market has tapped today open. The SMT has been violated. There is nothing in terms of okay. Okay. Price is at 4-hour FEG right now. Price is at 4-hour FEG. Price is reacting off of, I mean, not FEG, but it's reacting from there. And now I'll be looking for sales. But I just want a closure below this H4. Bro, no entry, bro. अरे यार. So do we close below the 2-day open? There is no proper closure. I mean, there is L model, but okay, I guess that's it. Nothing for now. We are having an SMT at the lows. I don't want to long as well because we have this 30-minute FEG. I don't want to long as well. Let's see. Nothing for now. I'm looking at price. There is an SMT at the lows. I like don't want to risk any money here. I don't find anything good. We have our REM on FEG. It doesn't look any good. So I'm not going to long. First presentation FEG is holding price. You guys are in any setups? I mean, Pridwin's TP is hit, but where SL is tap today open. Yes. Okay. Okay, we are just getting out of. Okay, that's our 4-hour FEG like supporting price. It's at no trade territory right now. H6 swept. H6 swept, No, yeah, H6 is swept. Yes, H6 is swept. H6. But we have this, bro. No idea. But we have pretty good SMT. I want a closure somewhere to go for buys or sales. I don't find anything as of now. And yeah, I'll be going for buys right now. Just I'm going for buys, guys. I just did buys. My stop loss would go just below here. Yeah. The simple thing is we have SMT. We'll be closing above the previous 3-minute candle. So I mean that would be my L model. Pretty a big risk. SMT at the 6-hour lows. So yeah, I guess it's worth all the risk. Market is bullish as well. If price comes lower, I'll add more. Yep. Let's see. Simple. We have taken the trade. We have executed it. We have this invest. So that will be my safety net. That's my L model. If there is FEG, I'll like consider trailing my stops. My stops are pretty safe, I would say. If price like comes again, I'll add one more. I'll add one more. Mhm. That's our order block. Non close candle. Price has just tapped our first presentation FEG in ES. So stops is safe for now. If there is a closure above these eyes, I'll try to add more. Simple. I'll push my stops to here and I'll try to add more because price is giving me some good range to play with because I've almost shorted just below the average short is just below that 50%. So if there is some good short opportunities, I'll take. Bro, this YM is a bitch, bro. This YM is a bitch. It's going higher. That's fine. But yeah, my buy side liquidity is right there. Let's tape read, guys. Let's tape read. We have our inversion. Prices just come to its inversion. And we can see that prices heading higher. We have our first presentation FEG just, here. That's our first presentation FEG. No way if price has to come here. It shouldn't like, okay, it has almost tapped. No. That's our first presentation FEG. That's our London lows. That's our London lows. And here is our two-day open. So price has just come below two-day open. I just want a closure somewhere above 1 minute or 2 minute candle confirmation, or else I'm just gonna sit at my hands. Yeah, do we have something, guys? If you're inside the trade, someone is inside. You marked that before 9:30. Nvidia. No, Nvidia is yeah, Nvidia is going lower. Okay. Nvidia is going lower. I don't want to see that. That's there. But yeah, the order flow in higher time frame is like buys. So I'm just risking it all. I can see some clear. See, price has come to discount. I told you, like, price has come to discount. It did whatever it wanted to do, and I'm okay. I'm okay. Like I feel price would be going higher. I had that was the plan. I had rejections from as well. The rejections are there as well. The order flow is bullish. I can see everything there. But yeah, I'll put my stop loss here. I don't want to see first presentation FEG being hit or I'll just go see some. Yeah, according to L model, it would be there. That's my L model, and stop loss just below here. I'll use that. I want to see higher prices until this. So we'll do some standard deviations and stuff. So that is what brought us to these lows. So that's my standard deviation. One standard deviation is right there. 1.5 standard deviation is right there. I want to see if price wants to come to this 2 standard deviation, but yeah, it's not in our hands. We'll just try most of. Okay, I'll add 2 more. Okay, I'll add 2 more, and I'll wait for some closure. I mean, I'll move my stops here right now. I don't want to see that hit because I see some momentum. I want that momentum to be continued. Simple. What happens is that my win rate is like pretty fucked up. So whenever like I have some wins, I have huge wins, and whenever I have losers, it would be like very tiny consistent losers. But here, if I win, I'll be like winning big, very big. So that's my kind of trades. Like that is one advantage is the adding into your trades. So that is, see, if you look at something, that's my breaker leg, that's my breaker leg, that's my order block. I don't want price to just come below that, and my stop loss placement is pakka. But one thing is that price, I guess, is reached into, I mean, yeah, price, the 30-minute FEG is right there. 30-minute FEG is right there. Let's wait patiently. Let's wait patiently. Price stuck at M15 IFG. Okay. Price is like slow, guys. Price is slow. It's at 0.5 now. Bro, Nvidia is like dragging, bro, price. It's anytime it could hit my SL, I guess. Nvidia is dragging so much. I guess I'm off. But the SMT is still holding. Kind of ES is stronger. ES is stronger today. SMT is holding. So we can't do much. We'll just wait. If there is some good closure, I was expecting some closure. There is closure. So if you look at 3 minutes, there is closure. Stop loss should be going just below here, but I feel there could be some manipulation. If you look at something, that's my 30-minute. Sorry, 30 minutes, it's already in. Okay, we have that. Yeah, sorry, the 15-minute thing. So, yeah, we'll just wait, guys. We'll wait patiently. This is kind of still, it's like very tiny loss. 6 point, I mean, 150. I mean, let's consider that 7. 7 into 6 contracts, that would be 5, 7 to 70, $80 of SL. I don't mind taking it. We have this order block right here. Let's see if it provides support. ES is bullish. ES is super bullish. ES is bullish, and it has tapped the 15-minute order block. I mean 15-minute CB. It has I mean, the highs has been taken out. The highs has been taken out. ES is dragging price lower, guys. So we have our other 15-minute candle open right now. If we are really bullish, we should see higher prices from here. ES is dragging, guys. We might be off. ES is bullish. So I might be wrong with my target selection. I mean, the asset selection, but that's fine. Price is making an inside bar. Oh, ES is so good, bro. In my mind, I've taken that SL. Bro, ES is so good. Oh, ES is seducing. So now I'll try to minimize my SL as much as possible. I'll add more. Bro, sexy. ES is. Oh shit. ES is sexy. I'll wait for this closure. If the closure is good, I'll add 4 more. So I'll average it with 1 NQ and I'll try to ride. I want to see close. TP where? TP, I'm just going to let it ride. I'm not sure. I'll take my major positions off here. It would be 6 contracts or 7 contracts off and I'll let 3 ride. Bro, ES is very good, bro. I don't know. Why, bro? Why? Why do you do this to me? See, ES, if we would have taken trade, it would be here. Stop loss would have been here. We would have pushed our stop loss, I mean, trailed our stop loss here. Again, we have our L model. So again, we would have put our stop loss to these lows. Bro, shit. ES is so good. So I'll just add. Okay, that's fine. ES is pushing, NQ isn't. And the stop loss is perfect. I don't want to do anything with my stops. I'm adding 4 more. So it's 1 NQ, proper NQ pakka. Now I'll just wait. So now we have this propulsion block and this propulsion block should hold price. I think now Nvidia is supporting. Nvidia is supporting, but it has, see, if you look at Nvidia at a 3-minute time frame, it has got into this FEG, CB. So that's a problem. Nvidia, if supports from here, I don't know. The target would be much bigger for us right now. And also, I've maxed out my my entries. I'm done. The maximum is 10 contract. I'll use quadrants and yeah, right around 50% I've maxed out. So yeah, now it's up to God, guys. Because ES is stronger. ES is stronger. NQ for some reason it's weaker. YM is also pushing a year. We don't see any push in NQ yet. NQ is the sixth sister right here. If this pushes, I'll move my stops to break even, pakka break even, and let it ride until these highs. So that's my partials. I've never been this. What do I call? Bro, yes. Oh shit, bro. Yes. Yes. Why do you do this to me, bro? What do I do? Before candle closing, how are you adding another contract? So I'm like see now I'm moving stops. Almost it's break even right now. If this hits, I'm at break even. Okay, I'm at break even. So L model is helping me to do all of it. We have our L model right here. Close it. Paka 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 paka. See, I'm confident that it's gonna go there, right? I also no, like what I'm gonna do is that see, okay, that's all fine. That's all fine. If this size has been taken out, and I'm just gonna close some contracts off here. Okay. Okay, I'm closing some of it. I'm closing 5 because the highs has been taken out. I did press or okay. Oh shit. Okay. Because the highs has been taken out in ES. Pakka. The highs has been taken out in ES and not in NQ. So I'll close 3 more here and I'll let 2 do whatever it wants. GG guys. I've never asked you this. Can we get W in the chat, guys? No. That sorry. Please, like cut that out. No, I don't want that. Again, it could be. It could go. It could go like it. It could tap my SL now. GG guys, perfectly managed stream. I guess even if we hit this SL, that would be a break even for me. I just put it at absolute break even. I don't want price to come all the way lower. That's some pretty serious partials. Oh yeah. See, like I'd be very happy to say I mastered the art of entering into positions, guys. That I'm happy because now it's all part of like managing risk properly. I don't mind if we hit SL, TP. That's not a lot, I would say. That's not a lot. We were around here. We were up around this 24 points, $240, of course. But the way we manage trade, it's something to look at. So now what we really looking at is this inversion, and we want to see price rallying from here. Daily I'm learning new stuff from live trading. But live trading is seriously tiring. It's all stress. It doesn't look because see, I've been in losing streak in live streams, but I've continued to push higher. There are see, even though if the trader is a lot of bluff, showing a lot of this clown stuff, I really respect people who trade live, bro. I really don't. I would say it's not hate, but I don't enjoy Tanya. But she like live trades, bro. The like people need guts to do live trading. Like ask your mentor if you're paying for someone, just ask them if they could do it live. It's really hard, bro. It's really hard. See, my initial position was right here, right? See what I did? Like, I know my model was forming. The volatility is not so good. I still entered, put my stop loss at those lows. It would be like 1:1, even though size are hit. But I managed to like add into my positions, you can say, and I maximized my wins. I learned all of it from Jade Cap. So, like, I would, at this point, I would like to thank him. I don't know if he might be watching this or something. No way he's gonna watch it. But still, if I'm just giving credits because I don't usually add on to trades. I was being a potain. And let's see how things goes, guys. Let's see if that hits. That's gonna be amazing. Amazing. Oh shit. Just oof. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, GG. I'm just gonna leave that two, guys. I'm just gonna leave those two. Ooh, let's go. So here is what it looks like. And I'm gonna put those two right at those lows. So this is what it looks like. I'll show you. It is my trade weight. Pakka. So now, if those two hits break even, I'll be like, no, pakka, no problem. But better entry would have been with ES. Better RR would have been with ES and YM, of course. It's not. It looks like that. See, I don't want W, guys. Sorry, it's not my thing. I do it for free. I come here, live stream. It's trade away, as you can see right here. So, yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna cut this recording. I've recorded this live trading. So, yeah. So, if you have some doubts, we'll go to that. We'll clear some doubts, guys. Let me post my win and come. Give me a minute. I'm very happy today. Like, I've checked every boxes today. How many of you took this trade in the stream, guys? I would love to know. Let's come to question session. Yes, Paka. Let's come to question session. What is Kodu? So, see, Kodu's. Okay, that's good push. Okay. So, code is what is. Okay. So, code. What do I call a code? Okay. So, let's say we have a pretty clean sell side liquidity. It could be sell side or buy side. Like right now, I'll consider this as a buy side trade. Okay. We have a pretty clean sell side liquidity, and price, let's say, comes to these lows, and now let's consider that price forms an FEG. Okay, like now price forms an FEG. For simplicity's sake, let's call this as an FEG. Okay, price forms an FEG, and it should be aligning with that previous sell side liquidity. So in ICT terms, it's called as island reversal. ICT Ali Khan. I've heard it from Ali Khan, but later I came to know that it is ICT's terminology. That price comes into a liquidity pool, suddenly wakes up higher, like it goes higher. And whenever price dips into this, and that's a buying opportunity. There are a lot of price actions regarding this, and you can just see that in charts, and that's it. Prove all time highs. We can go to all time highs today. It would be pakka, right? We can go to all time highs. Okay. Some other question. If possible, explain it in Tamil. It's been no. If you want in Tamil, I'll do tomorrow, because if someone complains, I'll be in trouble. I'll be underwater. So, if you want it in Tamil, I'll explain it tomorrow. I'm just gonna let it to all time highs. Previous PDRA bleed with new PDRA. Am I right? Yes, exactly. Two birds and one stone. Okay. So two birds and one stone. Is let's say you have a sell side liquidity, and just beneath that sell side liquidity, you have a higher time frame PDRA. Like I used to combine this particular sell side with some sort of NVOX, NDOX, or any gaps. So it would be the same. You can combine this with code, and at exactly if we form an FEG, that's the code. And from there, it's rocket. Boom, rocket. So that's my, what do I tell? The two birds, one stone. NVOG is there, 9:30 open. Just look at it. Okay. There is nothing, bro. There is no NVOGs, no. Where is NVOG? I don't see any NVOG. Oof. I'll take one more off here. Okay, I'll take one more off, and I'll take one more off and leave that to my all time highs. Damn, one of my very good trades. So like after so long, it's gonna be some serious trades of mine. Very good setup. Yeah. Now I let it to all time highs. Tree driver pattern, bro. Last question. Okay, tree driver pattern is we have it in yesterday's yesterday's price section. So tree driver pattern is this. This is tree driver pattern. 1, 2, and 3. That's your tree driver pattern. That's your tree driver pattern. That's your tree driver pattern. How to anticipate high probability trade in AM session? Bro, it comes with your experience, bro. Like, see, I've been live trading. So that really comes from experience. That like high probability conditions, you need to see them. You need to see those setups forming. So yeah, it comes from experience, I would say. So guys, is there something? Is there something you would? I mean, I could have gone. எப்ப கிடைக்கும் அவ்வளோ கிடைச்சுமா யாரு யாரு யா ஏய் உனக்கா இந்த எடுத்துக்கோ ஃபோன் எடுத்துக்கோ So guys, anything else? Micro and micro. Okay. But so guys, is there any questions or I'll just cut my stream off? I'm happy. Good management. Seriously good management of trades here. Still Nvidia size has to be taken, and I'm just gonna let it run to those all time. I mean, all time highs is kind of still. Only 50 points more, huh? Okay, I'll target them. Okay, I like kind of started loving all time highs. I don't know, it gives me a lot of room to go buy, I mean, L model is love here. Like we could have added a lot. So I guess that's it. Good week, guys. Good week. Applause. Whoever has did great. Let's learn something. Whoever is not did great, we'll come next week. Try not to do whatever we have done. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. One hell of a good trade for me. And I'll be back with streaming next week. We have a lot of plans coming ahead of us. And see you guys next week. See you guys tomorrow in another live stream. We have another live stream tomorrow. Bye, guys. Appreciate it. And I really wanted something 50 likes from you guys and I didn't get it. Yep. That's fine. Maybe next time, next week. Bye bye, guys. GG.